Hello guys! Today I'm going to cook kare-kare. But before you continue, please hit the subscribe button. The ingredients for our kare-kare are cooking oil, chopped garlic, chopped onion, salt, beef. At this moment, I already boiled the beef for 2.5 hours and I already separated the broth from the meat. Mamacita Kare-Kare mix. Water, peanut butter, MSG, beef broth cube, the vegetables that we are going to use are eggplant, string beans, and bok choy. Initially, I pre-boiled the vegetables for 3 minutes. In a pot, heat the oil and saute the garlic and onion. Sprinkle with salt according to your taste. Add now the beef and mix well. Sprinkle some MSG. And after some time, add the beef broth. Mix well, and after some time, allow to simmer. Add now the dissolved kare-kare mix. Mix it well and allow to simmer for some time. Remove the cover and at this time, add the dissolved peanut butter. For a few minutes of boiling, you can notice that the sauce thickened. You can add more water at this time. At the end, add the vegetables. It's done, guys! Thanks for watching!